Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be building this real grey Gundam Epyon. This is my Christmas gift from Argama Hobby last year, and I finally got a chance to build it. Based on what I've read online, most people like the Epyon more than Wing Zero. It has a dark and edgy vibe, and I have to agree, bad boys are more attractive in a way. The kit comes with 12 runners, a wire and a decal sheet. I like how the red comes in two different shades. I've used Mr. Color UG11 for the burgundy and C68 for the red. The hip joints features a lock mechanism, and at this moment, I still had not yet realized that I installed the legs in the wrong way. I'm fast forwarding this part because I know it can be quite boring to watch me assembling all the small pieces. The kit is mostly unligated. It comes with the standard real grade decals and the 4 sticker sheets. I was so tempted to just snap build the kit because I didn't want to mask the tail. Rotating these joints helped me apply the quick mask to the tail more efficiently. One of the reasons why I wanted to paint this is because of the .2 airbrush I got from Gallery. It's my first .2 airbrush, and I've been very excited to try it out. I'm only using the foil stickers, not the standard ones. The kit's aesthetics closely match the original anime design, with extra service detail included. The color separation is amazing, and exceptional engineering and articulation. The transformation to dragon mode is pretty easy. First of all, just remove the hands and extend the yellow claws. Open the back skirt, fold the legs backward and all the way around the back. Flip the toes down, switch the connector upside down and install the tail. Connect the adapter so that it could be placed on a stand. And open the mouth of the dragons. The Epyon transforms into this mobile armor mode for fast flight and space travel. In this two-headed dragon mode, its main weapons are not usable except for the Epyon claws, which also serve as landing gears. It takes me a while to transform this into the dragon mode, and I'm not sure if I should keep the head there or not. What do you guys think of this transformation? Hope you liked my video today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to leave your thoughts down in comment section below. Until next time, take care and happy building.